Hello everyone, today I'm going to give you a brief tutorial on how to access Encyclopedia Britannica and ImageQuest. Now these two resources are very kid-friendly and they will help you locate kid-friendly images and videos and information that students can use for research. First, you're going to want to go to kickslearns.kicks.sd and then click Learning. Go to Kicks Libraries and you'll be directed to the Kicks Learns Libraries page. It will prompt you to log in. You're going to use the login credentials that you usually use to access your captive portal. Once you've logged in, you'll notice that there are two links, Britannica login link and ImageQuest main page. If for whatever reason, when you click on one of these links, you're prompted to put in another username and password, the username for Britannica and ImageQuest is Khartoum and the password is Kicks. First, I'm going to click on Britannica login. And you notice that there are three levels. Foundation would be primary, lower primary to about mid-primary, and intermediate might be mid-primary to middle school, and advanced would be more the information that secondary students would benefit from. I'm going to click on Foundation, and I'll just show you if I do a search on animals, for example, you still have the option to change the level of the information that you would like to see. There are lots of other features within Encyclopedia Britannica that I'm not going to go into today. This tutorial is just to help you basically access these two resources. When I go back to the Kicks Learns page, I can click on the ImageQuest main page. And you see there's a search bar at the top that you can put in the topic or the whatever image you want to look for. So I'm going to type in wolves. And there are many different images about wolves that come up. I might want to be a little bit more specific with my search terms if I want to narrow down the results. I can also filter according to these different subject terms. So that, in a nutshell, is how you access ImageQuest and Encyclopedia Britannica, which are two kid-friendly resources that you can show your students or work with your students on finding images, videos, and information. I hope that this tutorial was helpful. Thank you for watching.